The workshop's about getting different landowners involved with natural resource management, especially through, cool burn practices, and getting them on board with us so, we can go onto their country or they're learning of the way that we do cool burn practices. Cool burns are important in the country because, you don't want to be scorching the canopy, you want to be letting all the little critters and, all your totem species to escape, and not having such an impact on it where it's burning out the canopy or roasting, all the micropods and all the micro things under the soil and that.
It was great watching how it went. This was a good time of year, I think. This is early August. We had good breaks around it, and I think, I was impressed that we didn't need to use any equipment at all around the edge. A couple of feet occasionally to just put out fire just wandering off to the side, but it was wonderful. And I think both Conway and Kerry had talked, and Tom had talked about the importance of just sort of walking along with the fire, and it should be a relaxed affair and yarning and catching up with people, and that's exactly what it was. There was none of the argy-bargy, you've got to get to here to put it out, or it might get away over there. There was none of that. It just slowly meandered along.
Doing these workshops and working in with different traditional owner groups, we can bring that back and be teaching our young ones how the proper way is to burn, and not just our people. The new landowners today need to know how you burn country properly, because in the past, a lot of the country's been burnt the wrong way, and it's not good. It's not healthy for the country.